Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I will show you how you can enable or disable the icon of the shutter. So what I mean, we have to go for the menu, and here we have to find the touch shutter, and here we get the touch shutter icon. So go here, turn it on, and as you can see it will be appears right here. So right now we disable the shutter, the touch shutter, but we can tap here and enable. So just take a look. And if you want to turn it off back, just go for the menu, touch shutter, then go for touch shutter icon and then turn it off. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.